In today's video, I'll teach you how to send fancy text in WhatsApp. So if you want to send the fancy text, what you have to do is open the WhatsApp application. You can see over here it has been opened. Now what you have to do is tap on the chat where you want to send the fancy text. After you do that, that particular chat will be opened. Now tap on the message bar that you can see at bottom. Now for example, if you want to send the bold text, what you have to do is enclose the text within the asterisk. For that, enter the asterisk. Now enter your text over here. Now again enter the asterisk. Now tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the bold text has been sent. Likewise, you can also send the italic text. For that, enclose the text within the underscore. What you have to do is enter underscore. Now enter your text over here. After you do that, enter the underscore again. Now tap on the send icon. So like this, you'll be able to send the italic text. Likewise, you'll also be able to send the strike through text. For that, what you have to do is enclose the text within the tilde. Simply enter the tilde. After you do that, enter your text over here. Again, give the tilde. Now tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. So like this, you'll be able to send the strike through text. Likewise, you'll also be able to send the monospace text. For that, what you have to do is place 3 backticks on the both side. So simply enter the backtick over here. Make sure to enter it 3 times. After you do that, enter your text. Now again enter the 3 backticks. Now tap on the send icon. Now you can see over here monospace text has been sent. So like this, you'll be able to send various types of text in WhatsApp. So that is how you send fancy text on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.